To make our easy Thai green curry, we need chicken breast, green curry paste, and of course, coconut milk. Chicken breast, green curry paste, coconut milk, garlic, onion, bell pepper, zucchini, baby corn, basil leaves. I'm slicing the chicken into thin pieces. This helps it cook fast and stay tender. Now I'm moving the chicken to a bowl. Next, I'm preparing the vegetables. I want everything ready before cooking. I'm slicing the bell pepper. I'm cutting the zucchini. I'm preparing the baby corn. These vegetables cook quickly and look beautiful in the curry. I'm finally chopping the garlic. Now everything is ready for cooking. This makes the cooking step easy and fast. I'm heating the pan. I'm adding a little oil. Now the pan is ready. I'm adding the garlic. Now the green curry paste. I'm cooking the paste gently to bring out the flavor. I'm adding the chicken. I'm stirring it well. I want every piece coated with the curry paste. I'm adding coconut milk. Now the sauce becomes creamy. I'm stirring until everything is smooth. I'm adding the onion. Now the bell pepper, zucchini, baby corn. These vegetables cook fast and stay fresh. I am stirring everything together. The vegetables are coating beautifully in the sauce. This already smells amazing. I'm adding a little fish sauce and a little sugar. This balances the flavor. I'm mixing the seasoning in. Now I'll let it simmer gently. This makes everything come together. I'm adding fresh basil leaves. This gives the curry a fresh finish. It smells so good. The curry is ready. I have jasmine rice here. Now I'm serving. I'm serving the curry next to the rice. Look at that creamy sauce. This is so easy and so good. One final stir, and the curry is ready. Now I'm going to plate it. I'm finishing with a little basil, and it's ready to enjoy. Looks beautiful. Let's taste it. Creamy, fresh, and really delicious. It tastes amazing. Now let's sit down and enjoy it. I love how creamy this looks. Perfect with jasmine rice. So, and really comforting.
This is such an easy meal, and it looks beautiful.
This is one of my favorite easy curry recipes. It's fast, creamy, and full of flavor. This is my easy Thai green curry. I hope you love it. So good. Easy, creamy, and fresh. This was so easy to make and so satisfying. Thanks for watching. See you in the next recipe.